itong port na to sa Tagaloan, ang X-ray, nasa labas ng custom. Hinahawakan ng isang pribadong kumpanya. Which is against the sovereign function of putting this X-ray in the hands of the government. Kaya pala tayo napapasukan na maraming droga Dahil you allowed the X-ray to be operated by a private company owned by the Davao Group. Andito, sa SEC, kung sino man mga-ari, Noel B. Taoho, isang politician sa Davao City. Sherilyn Uy, Davao City. Ramon Edison Batacan, Davao City. Socorro Agreso, Davao City.